I'm Palak Agarwal of Hidayatullah National Law University and currently a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I hope you guys are fine. In today's video, I'll be discussing whether an offer can be accepted silently or not. First important question is what an offer is and what is acceptance. According to Indian Contract Act 1872, when a person signifies his willingness to do something or abstain from doing anything, the view of obtaining assent from the other person, he is said to make a proposal. When the person to whom proposal is made gives his assent, proposal is said to be accepted. The next important question is, can the acceptance to an offer be given silently? Silence of the offeree can be construed to be his acceptance. For instance, a person shows a horse to another person for sale, and the other person says he likes the horse that is shown to him. The person showing the horse says that if the other person does not say anything, he will assume that he has accepted to buy the horse for rupees 2000. Now the offeree did not say a thing. The offerer smiled at him. The other question is this a valid acceptance? According to you, is it a valid acceptance? Has the sale been made? In this scenario, the silence of the offeree is said to be a valid acceptance. Because if the offeree had some other intention, he would have said something. The offeree had ample opportunity and chance to speak that he did not want to buy the horse. And he didn't say anything. So it is assumed that he had accepted the offer to buy the horse. A reasonable man would have said something if he had some other intention in mind. In this case, the offer and acceptance are a binding one. Other concept is invitation to offer. Invitation offer is very different from offer. For example, when a person advertises that he has an AC to sell or a house to rent, there is no offer that he will be binded by, as the offer is the final willingness to do something or to abstain from doing something. The intention that the offeree will accept the offer. For instance, the owner of an arms shop had displayed an extremely cool gun with a price tag of 500 bucks. Person goes to the shop and says that he had accepted the offer of buying the gun. The owner refused to sell the gun. As in this scenario, the display of gun with a price tag of 500 bucks was only an invitation to offer and not an actual offer. In this case, the offer has been made by the person who was willing to buy the gun, and it lies on the owner whether to accept or reject it. Another example is where a woman named Priya sends a letter to her friend Rupa saying that she is willing to buy her house for rupees 50,000. Rupa sends another letter in response to the previous letter saying that the lowest price for the house is rupees 60,000. Priya sends another letter stating that she has accepted to buy the house at rupees 60,000. But in this case, Rupa's response to the letter is not an offer but merely an invitation to offer. There was no offer which Priya could have accepted. There is no binding contract. Following in general circumstances do not act as an offer. A price catalog, quotation of prices, letter asking for quotation of prices, or invitation to auction, invitation to tenders, or objects kept in shop windows with price tags. All of these items fall in the category of invitation to offer and not offer. However, some advertisements can be construed as offer. For example, advertisements for rewards for finding a lost person or lost dog or any other lost item. Hope you guys like the video. In the next video, I will be discussing about consideration. Thank you and have a nice day.